Being able to run Google search directly from your terminal has proven to be very useful, most especially in situations where you find yourself stuck in a computer that has no graphical user interface, like when you are working on a headless server lacking an X session. So in this video, I will teach you how to run Google search and browse through web pages without leaving your terminal. Hello guys, my name is Steven Bitrus. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I teach ethical hacking. If you're new to this channel, ensure you hit the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Let's begin by installing the tools we need for this. First, we need to install a text-based browser. If you are a Linux user, you should be familiar with most of the text-based browsers available. Some of the popular text-based browsers include Lynx, W3M, eLynx, and Lynx. Just install the one you prefer the most on your device. If you are using a Debian-based Linux distro like me, a simple sudo apt get install Lynx will install Lynx on your device. Or a sudo apt get install W3M will install W3M on your device. The next tool we need to install is Googler, a CLI version of Google. Sudo apt get install Googler. Or you can choose to clone the tool from its repo on Github to get the recent version of the tool. If you did follow the instructions up till this moment and you have successfully installed the tools needed, then you are set to run Google search and browse through web pages without leaving your terminal. To do a Google search, type Googler on your terminal, then followed by your search query. You can move to the next search result page when you enter N. Or to a previous page when you enter P via the Omni prompt. To open any of the search results, enter their respective index. Let's view the first search results by entering 1. Notice the link opened in a browser with a graphical user interface outside the terminal, and that's not what we want to achieve. So right now, we need to configure Googler to open search results using a text-based browser without leaving the terminal. To achieve this, we'll simply specify a text-based browser that will open our search results. Browser W3M Googler, then your search query. This is just a temporary means to select a browser that will open search results. If you do another Google search, your default browser will be used to open the search results. To permanently set a browser that will open your search results anytime you are running Google search through the terminal, use the following command: export browser, then enter your preferred browser name. If you would like me to do an in-depth video on how to use Googler, let me know down in the comment section. If I get a good number of response, then I will definitely make a more in-depth video on how to use Googler. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, as it will help make this video discoverable by more viewers who will be interested in the kind of content I make. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.